Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed, and guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can increase your RP as well as your rank in the season simultaneously. So watch this video completely, and I'm also going to give you some tips about how to increase your rank faster and also complete your RP missions. So guys, in this video we are going to do this, so make sure you watch this video completely. So guys, let's roll the intro. So alright guys, we are here on the home screen of PUBG Mobile, and these are the few tricks that you need to follow. So first of all, let me show you the proof. In the season 12 I am in crown 3 now, and in crown 3 I just reached crown 3. I was in platinum 5. So you just need to check out the path where you're going, and then after checking the path you just need to go to the farthest part, or you can just do drop in the hot drop, because most of the people don't come to hot drops, and just make sure no one's around, and then you can just go ahead and loot the place. So that's the way you need to land first, and then loot in places that are not famous, or like you can just see those small house marks. And especially if you check out the military base, if you zoom, leaving out the main military base area, if you come up to the south part, there are some 5 to 6 like small colonies there. You can just go there, loot there, and also you get a buggy there, so there is no need to worry about the zone as well. So guys, talking about the RP missions, you can just check out what all missions you have in the royal pass of the particular season. Check out the missions, and then change the server while matching. Change the server over here, and then start matching. Change the server and select a server, and then start matching, and then complete your missions there. This will not affect your the rank, and you will also complete your royal pass. So guys, this is the way you do that. That's it in this video. Make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.